Alright, HW here down at Haymarket. Finally come back to Paddy's markets on a day that it's actually open. So let's get into the markets, have a little bit of a look around. Come get around Paddy's markets with HW. Well, certainly not as many market stalls as there used to be back in the day. But let's check out what's still here. The obligatory mobile phone accessory store, souvenir store over here. I'm going to leave my camera on 60 frames per second. So being in Australia, the LEDs are going to flicker in some of the stores, but I'd much rather keep it on 60 frames per second because it's going to be easy for me to process it once I want to get it up on YouTube. Another souvenir store, some bags and wallets. Mobile phone store. Sunglasses. This is all very colourful over here. Sorry about that, I keep coughing. People are going to freak out if they see me coughing. Few cheeky toys. Ugg boots. Candles and soap over here. I just quickly filmed the fresh produce section, or part of the fresh produce section, so I've been asked to stop filming by the goons inside the markets, so let's get out of here. So what I might do, seeing that I can't film all of the markets, because there was a lot more to film, I'll go over to Chinatown and film the main street, Dixon Street, as we head back into the city. And saw a bunch of people in there getting into the yum cha, so let's see if we can capture that. So see you over at Dixon Street shortly. Let's film Dixon Street. Everyone lining up for their yum cha and their dumplings. There's certainly a lot more life down here today on a Sunday than there was the last time that I came down here, or the last 2 times I came down here. We're lining up for some sweets over there. Probably some egg tarts. Few people still having yum cha. Guy's blowing up because there's no satay chicken. I might get ready to wrap up this short vid as well, seeing that we couldn't film all of Paddy's markets. So security wanted to be party poopers. It's not like I'm filming the crown jewels in there or something. But anyway, that's it for the Paddy's market vid and a little bit of Chinatown. People having their yum cha. So yeah, like and subscribe. Watch it on your 4K TV. And it's over and out from HW.